Hey folks, Robbie here. I finished up the 66 Buick Wildcat. Shooting it outside, it's like 30 something degrees. So I'm going to try to make this quick, but I kind of wanted to show you to you outside. That looked pretty good with Kragers on it. Tan interior. Then there it is with the hood shut. But anyway, hope you can see it okay. It was painted a deep metallic blue. I forgot the name of it. It's been painted a long time ago. And I thought the Kragers added something to it. Of course, I did the trim, bare foil and silver Sharpie. Well, anyway, this is Robbie saying thanks for